Is the Coinbase Smart Wallet the key to unlocking your DeFi potential, or just another locked door? Let's find out. First, what exactly is the Coinbase Smart Wallet? It's Coinbase's self-custody wallet, meaning you control your private keys, not them. This gives you direct access to the decentralized web or Web3. Unlike the regular Coinbase app, which is custodial, the Smart Wallet lets you interact with dApps, store NFTs, and manage your crypto directly on various blockchains. It supports a range of cryptos, NFTs, and even works across different chains, but remember to always double-check compatibility to avoid any issues. Coinbase emphasizes security, employing multi-party computation, or MPC, which distributes your private key across multiple locations at biometric authentication, and it's designed to be a fortress. But is it user-friendly? For crypto newbies, the interface can be a bit overwhelming at first, but Coinbase has made strides to simplify things. Transaction fees can vary depending on the network, so always keep an eye on those before confirming any swaps or transfers. If you run into trouble, Coinbase's customer support resources are available, though response times can sometimes be a bit slow. Compared to MetaMask or Trust Wallet, the Coinbase Smart Wallet offers tighter integration within the Coinbase ecosystem, but might not be as feature-rich for advanced DeFi users. Ultimately, the Coinbase Smart Wallet is a solid choice for users already invested in the Coinbase ecosystem looking for a self-custody solution, but weigh its strengths and weaknesses against your own needs before diving in. Is it the perfect Web3 portal? That's for you to decide. Be sure to do your own research before investing.